go. She's friendly. She's real friendly. See? Good job. Thank you. Hey, you want to say hi there? Why don't you give her a little tickle right under here is the best place.
What is it?
Kilo.
Oh, Kilo.
Yeah.
Just right
Little baby. There you go. That's the spot.
She really likes the blue.
You like blue? Well, this is actually a cousin of blue.
Oh, cousin.
Yeah. It's a little baby cousin, only 6 months old.
它是 blue 的那个表情。这真的还是假的？哎，这是假的。你想拍几张照吗？去帮你 take some photo.
Yeah, of course. Come and sit over here. You just put your head right there and she'll just rest the head right over here. That's it. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, of course. Come on in. Say hi there. There we go. She, all those dinosaurs. This is actually Blue's little baby cousin.
哇，你自己啊，他你看，一口圆鼠来，看到已经是
Friendly like little baby kitty cat.
已经没有它了。好，那我们再打。好，你们两个，那一起吧。
Nice. That's it.
阿乐看着我站在他旁边。
Gently, sweetie.
Right under here. Yeah, that's it.
不要去摸嘴巴。
看，这边有看吗？
She won't bite. She's
别
friendly.
害怕，旁边，哎，阿乐，
You guys want to come and sit over here?
这边去，阿童，他让你到那里去。阿童，你过去。他说让你过去。
好，这样好，这样好，拍张照片，拍张照片，是。
看摄像头。好了，看摄像头。
He looks just curious. He looks really curious.
好了，Thank you。
You're welcome.
走这里。
很假。
Yeah, you want to say hi? You give her a little gentle tickle under the chin there. There you go. It's almost baby Kilo's nap time. That's going to help put her to sleep, hopefully.
Is it a guy or a girl?
The girl, all our dinosaurs here are female.
Oh. Good girl.
Numbers there.
Good girl.
Very good, isn't she? A little baby kitty cat, this one. Real friendly. Well, thank you so much. Watch out there, just under here, guys. That's it. Yeah, there you go.
要摸它的嘴巴咬你。
Oh no, this is a real baby velociraptor.
再去摸一下。
It's real.
啊，西美龙。
上次就叫儿姐骗了，你还可以真的。
真的。
等一下，我给你拍一个。
Come around this way. Come sit down here. There we go. You just put your hand right there.
看镜头，哥哥。OK， Thank you。
You're welcome. Thank you. Come on in. You come in too. Or you just walk by yourself? There you go. Alright. That's it. Come over here. There you go. There you go. Some natural raptors. Thank you so much. Come on over. Baby Kilo, she's really friendly. She's got a nice little gentle. There you go. That's the stuff. She's a little sleepy. It's almost a little nap time. Raptor, yeah, Velociraptor. He's 6 months old. You don't touch that much baby. Very careful there. It's a little sensitive there. Yeah, it's welcome. Yeah, you want to come and say hi? Give her a little tickle underneath the chin. Don't worry, she won't bite. I've got all my fingers. Hello there. Auntie, you want to say hi? She's friendly. Good job. Welcome.
Yeah, baby.
Hello there. Want to say hi? Hello guys. Baby Kilo's right under here. Hey guys, you want to stay in the state? Stay over here.
Maybe if everyone's like on the left side, please. Right over here. Thank you. Alright. Nice one.
Món gì cái nọ? Món gì cái nọ?
Lights, camera, action. Super curious.
Wow.
Say hi. See you later.
这玩具，
Good.
这是玩具。但是怎么总感觉这有点像新恐龙，这有点像真恐龙。
Yeah, don't put your finger in there. Won't get it back.
Careful, sweetie. 有点像真恐龙。
I'll give it a try, pal. Right here. Yeah, yeah, don't worry, she's friendly. Right under here's the best spot, right there. See? If you listen closely, you can hear her purring, just like a little cat does. She's real happy right now. Oh, look at that. She's getting ready for her nap. Isn't she? Say hi, you can give her a little gentle tickle there. Baby Kilos. Right here's the best spot. You want to take a picture with her? Feel free. G'day guys, yeah, if you want to come on over and say hi to baby Kilo here. She is real friendly. We're going to take her in for a nap pretty soon. She's starting to get a little sleepy, but if you want to come and say hi, come on over. If you want to say hi, you just give her a nice gentle tickle under the chin. Just like this. Shut it up. Yeah. Just like that. There you go. Oh yeah, real baby Velociraptor Mongoliensis. Yeah, and I'm sure you all know who Blue is. This is Blue's baby cousin. That's right. All of our raptors here are made from the same raptor DNA. She's adorable, isn't she? She's only 6 months old. She's going to get a whole lot bigger. Yeah, just make sure everybody's so safe. Even though she is cute and adorable, still need to remember that she is still a Velociraptor with very sharp teeth there. Bet she's got 60 razor sharp teeth. Don't worry, this one's real friendly. Yeah, just underneath the chin, right there, that's it.
So
Well, watch your tail there, don't touch your tail like that. She does not like that. Don't want you to lose any fingers or hands. Just underneath here. Just like that. Yeah, there you go.
Hi guys, one at a time, please.
Give her a little tickle right there. It's nice and gentle. Oh yeah. Real baby Velociraptor mongoliensis. She's real friendly so long as you're nice and gentle with her. Just touch her chin there, that'll...
He wants to touch. She wants to touch. I want it.
Oh, hey, why would you do that? Alright, you're going to have to move on that, guys.